welcome to all the partners. Finro offers you not only a business model but also a solution to run it seamlessly. Like Finro's Partners Dashboard, which centralize all your data management needs, giving you back control and valuable time. So, let's go through all the features for your better understanding. Starting from the top menu bar. Here, you can find various calculators to filter your work and save time. EMI Calculator. An EMI calculator is a handy online tool that helps you estimate your monthly loan repayments. It considers three key factors: loan amount, the total sum you borrow; interest rate, the borrowing cost, expressed as a percentage; repayment tenure, the duration, in months or years, you must repay the loan. How does Finro's EMI calculator work? Enter loan amount, input the total loan amount you plan to borrow. Set interest rate, enter the annual interest rate offered by the lender. Choose repayment tenure, select the duration, in months or years, for your loan repayment. Calculate EMI, click the Calculate button to see your estimated monthly EMI. PIN Code Eligibility Calculator. Finro's PIN Code Eligibility Calculator is a tool that helps users shortlist lenders for their preferred products at their preferred PIN code. How does Finro's PIN Code Eligibility Calculator work? Click on the PIN Code Eligibility Calculator. Select your state from the drop-down. Select your PIN code from the drop-down. Click on the Proceed button. Now you will get a list of the lenders available at your PIN code. Once you are done hovering over the calculators, at the right hand of your screen, you will find an App Store logo along with Finro written next to it. Right next to it, you can find a drop-down to switch language. By clicking on the drop-down, you can pick your preferred language. Shifting a little more to the right side, now you can see the Profile section. Click on the Profile icon to get a drop-down of all the features, such as Profile Update. Here, you can update all the personal details of your profile. MIS Upload. This section will allow the user to download a status updated Excel file of their punched lead uploaded by the admin. Users will be able to filter the file by entering the product and bank product names. Login MIS, a simpler way to add MIS of any product. Here, the user will get a pre-formatted Excel sheet to fill in all the details and add the MIS. Finro Help Desk. Here, the user can raise a ticket for any query or complaint. Users can pick a ticket by subject, priority, message, email address, and image or file, if any. Payouts. This section will brief the user through a breakout of the payouts they will receive via different banks. Logout. User can log out their account by clicking on Log Out. Now moving to the left side of the dashboard, here we can see a few more useful features such as Leads. This section will show you all the details related to the existing lead data. The user can filter their preferred leads by entering a few details such as date range, bank product, customer name and phone number. In the list of the leads, you will see an action button, a symbol of I. Click on the I symbol to edit or add any lead info. Click on the Edit Lead button. You can add any lead by filling all the required details. You can also directly upload the documents of any specific lead by clicking on Upload Document button. Product. In this section, you will get to see a list of all the products such as loan, investment and credit cards. By clicking on a single product, a drop-down with all the categories of that product will appear. For X, click on Loan, Personal Loan. You will get a list of all the personal loan options. By clicking on the name of the product, you will be able to see its policy. By clicking on the Apply button, you will be able to apply for that specific product. By clicking on the Document section, you will be able to redirect to the Document section. By clicking on the Training section, you will be able to watch policy videos on that specific product. By clicking on the PIN code section, you will be able to see the PIN code area availability of the product. You can do the same with all the listed products. Team Management. This section will help the user to streamline the team in a better possible way. User can serve a detailed list of all the employees such as franchise owner, agents and advisor. You can see an employee's details such as name, contact, location, joining date, employee type, designation, status, etc. Training videos. This section will allow the user to stream training videos of all the product category. Here, you will be able to find policy videos of different products such as credit card, loan, and investment. By clicking on a single product, a drop-down with all the categories of that product will appear. For X, click on Loan, Personal Loan. You will get a list of all the training videos related to personal loan. Document. This section will help you to find the required documentation details for every single product. This section contains a list of documentation for all products, such as loans, investments, and credit cards. By clicking on a single product, a drop-down with all the categories of that product will appear. For X, click on Loan, Personal Loan. You will get a list of all the training videos related to personal loan. The list will show you the basic documentation only. However, once you click on the bank-wise documents, you will be able to see the documents required by the chosen bank. Finru Support. In this section, you will be able to find the contact details of the grievance office of all the respective departments. Get Hot Leads. This section is for people who are interested in increasing their business conversion rate with quality leads. In this section, various lead packages will be available for purchase. User can make a purchase based on their budget. Once the payment is successful, the leads will be added to the My Lead section. Bill Upload. This section makes the payout process even more smoother for the users. The user can make an invoice over Excel and upload it here. In case the user doesn't know the Excel invoice format, they can click on Invoice Sample Excel to download a sample. Based on the type of billing invoice, the user can choose from the GST or Retail Invoice tab.